Very good morning to one and all. During the academic year of 2022-21, we are promoted to final year BSc Biotechnology. So, during this pandemic situation, the ABN PRR college is conducting online academic classes. During this session, I would like to continue the final year 5A paper, that is Genetics and Molecular Biology. 5A paper, Genetics and Molecular Biology. It consists 5 units. Unit 1, Mendel Laws and Inheritance. The second unit is genes and their variations. And the third unit is DNA replication. Unit 4, mutations and DNA repair. And the last unit, unit 5, transcription. Okay. Now I would like to discuss the important topics and the brief description of the unit sites. First unit is Mendel Laws and Inheritance. Here, title of the paper, Genetics. Study about genes is called genetics, you know very well. So, the credit goes to Gregor Johann Mendel. He conducted so many experiments in Pisum sativum, that is the pea plant. Then he observed so many characteristics during the pea plant according to the size of the plant, position of the flower, and the characteristics between one generation to another generation. That is nothing but a allele. It is the alternative form of genes that having two characteristic features. First one is the dominant character and second one is the recessive character. During these experiments, Mendelian laws, these laws, monohybrid and dihybrid. Monohybrids, the ratio is 3:1 and the dihybrid ratio is 9:3:3:1. And the inheritance laws, here other than Mendelian laws, here we have to discuss about the deviations of Mendelian laws. These are nothing but trihybrid ratio. These are nothing but trihybrid ratio. This ratio is 27:9:9:3:3:3:1. This is the trihybrid ratio. In next classes we have to discuss one by one what is the ratio of the dominance. In this dominance, complete dominance and incomplete dominance, and second one penetrance and expressivity, pleiotropism. Then inheritance. In inheritance, having the characteristics, the genes encoding the characteristics, either behavioral or recessive. These type of characters we have to study the first unit itself. So first unit briefly I explain once again. First one is the factors affecting Mendelism. So what are the characteristic features Mendel taken? Then he experiment. Then self-fertilization. Then it having the characters. So these are we discussed in the Mendel laws and the inheritance. So either phenotypic characters as well as the genotypic characters. So expressivity, pleiotropism. The second unit itself is genes and their variations. So in these genes and their variations, we have to the structure of the gene. Here we explain about the structure of the gene and environment, gene copies, hereditary functions, heterozygosity, meiotic disjunctions, and chromosomal abnormalities in plants and animals, linkage, recombination, and gene mapping. Here we explain the Hardy-Weinberg law. It consists of population of genetics. Here the population of genetics will encode the p square plus q square is equal p square plus 2pq plus q square. This is the Hardy-Weinberg law equation. This we have to encode the population of genetics. Here the population of genetics. Next, the third unit itself is DNA replication. You know very well regarding first semester, second semester, and third semester, and fourth semester also DNA replication. Is the replication means duplication of diploid genome into tetraploid genome, or one parental DNA to form two daughter DNAs. Likewise, this is the DNA, two parental strands. Here the two parental strands are separated, that means denaturation. Then here newly synthesized strands are produced. Here we have to elaborate the three steps, either initiation, elongation, and termination. So the complete basis enzymatic replication and here inhibitors of replication, the role of enzymes and the process of replication itself. Next, the unit 4 consists of mutations and DNA repair. Now we are the present situation in the pandemic corona itself. So many mutations in observing the chromosomal abnormalities, chromosomal mutations. That's why the particular drug that doesn't encode the corona disease prevention. So here the chromosomal changes itself. The mutation means suddenly changing the chromosomal structures, chromosomal abnormalities. We have to very interesting the topic HIV, like the enzyme encode reverse transcriptase. It having the changing the characteristics of the futures, either DNA structures to RNA, likewise RNA to DNA, DNA to RNA, or RNA to DNA. In the presence of enzyme is reverse transcriptase. So then the repair, here the photoreactivation, excision repair, source response, photoreactivation. So these are the mechanism DNA repair. And last unit itself is transcription. So that's first one is the molecular biology consists first the major portion molecular biology having the central dogma of molecular biology, mainly three parts: DNA, RNA, and proteins. DNA, RNA, and proteins. First one is DNA itself. DNA to produce again DNA, that is nothing but the duplication is replication. Formation of DNA to RNA is called transcription. Then formation of protein from mRNA is called translation. So these are the basic the criteria of the unit 2. What are the topics you have to learn in the next classes? I would like only the description of the 5A itself, genetics and molecular biology. Okay, so 5A లో మనకి జెనెటిక్స్ అండ్ మాలిక్యులర్ బయాలజీ అనే 2 టాపిక్స్ మీద ఈ 5 యూనిట్స్ అనేటటువంటివి డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి సిలబస్ నేను మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూపుల్లో దాన్ని నేను మీకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ యూనిట్ అయిన తర్వాత మీకు ప్రతి లెక్చర్ అయిన వెంటనే మీకు దానికి సంబంధించిన నోట్స్ కూడా మీ గ్రూప్స్లో దాన్ని పీడిఎఫ్ ఫార్మేట్లో కానీ లేదంటే నెక్స్ట్ మనకున్న నోట్స్ అంతటినీ కూడా మీకు దాంట్లో ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా దగ్గర ఉండి మరి వీటన్నిటి గురించి కూడా స్టడీ చేయాలి. నోట్స్ అనేది మేము ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం. దీనికి సంబంధించి మీకు ఎనీ క్వరీస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా సరే మీరు మా నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేసి ఆ డౌట్స్ మీరు క్లారిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్ అబౌట్ ద 5A పేపర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.